In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to alphabetize in Google Sheets by last name. This can be particularly handy when you're dealing with a list of names and need to organize them for better readability and accessibility. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll start by opening your Google Sheets document. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new one by going to Google Drive and selecting New, followed by Google Sheets. Once your document is open, whether it's an existing sheet or a new creation, you'll want to locate the range of cells containing the names you want to sort. Once you've pinpointed the column with your names, it's time to select the range of cells. Click and drag your mouse over the cells to highlight all the names. This ensures that all the data within that range is going to be included in the sorting process. Having selected your range, the next step involves your mouse. Right-click on the selected range. This will bring up a context menu where you have multiple options. From here, you'll opt to insert a new column to the right of the one containing your names. Clicking Insert One Column Right creates a new space for us to work with last names separately. With this new column to the side, let's focus on extracting the last names. Click on the cell adjacent to your first name entry in the newly inserted column. Here, you'll enter a specific formula to help isolate last names from full names. The formula is X index split A2 true true 1 2. Simply type this formula into the new column. What this does is utilize Google Sheets' powerful index and split functions to divide the full names into parts, with the last name being placed into this new column. Once you've entered the formula, hit the Enter key. If everything's been entered correctly, you should see the last name of the first row's name appear. Instead of repeating this process for every single name, hover over the bottom right corner of this cell until you see a small blue square. Click and drag this square downwards to autofill the rest of the column, populating it with last names from every entry. Now let's move towards alphabetizing by these last names. Click on the Data menu at the top of your Google Sheets interface. From this drop-down, select Sort Range. This command will enable us to specify exactly how we want to sort our data. After choosing Sort Range, a dialog box will appear. You'll be prompted to indicate your sorting preferences, specifically sorting by the newly populated column with last names. Select Sort Sheet by column B, A to Z, where column B is the column you inserted and populated with last names. And there you have it. Your list is now neatly alphabetized by last name, making it much more organized and easy to navigate.